So in this question, we find out the products from the given reactants. So as it is said that this metal sulfide reacts with strong acid to produce hydrogen sulfide and salt. So that means if we write general case, metal sulfide when they reacts with acid, then the products form is hydrogen sulfide along with salt. So now the reaction that is given. So iron sulfide, which is Fe2S3. So when it reacts with nitric acid, so the products form from these reactants are hydrogen sulfide, which is H2S, and a salt, which is ferric nitrate.